Mabuhay! I am your queen ang inang host, and I welcome you to the main stage of Drag Race Philippines!
Muñeca Hoshi, who should go home tonight?
I think I should vote for myself.
Why?
Because this show is really frustrating me and it's really draining me. And I don't want to be here anymore. That's why I wanted to vote myself to go home and live this all of shit.
Shit! Shit ka talaga! Tokyo Lolita! Sino ang pinakabagsak sa kanilang lahat para sa iyo? Sabihin ko po si Muñeca Hoshi. Kasi po parang lagi na siya nakaasa sa drag mom. Ay, shit! Tsaka lagi siya nasa anime sa drag mom. Wala siya sa anime brand. Ay, shit! Off-light, aka Amiga Pro. Okay. You think you deserve to stay tonight?
I deserve to stay here tonight because throughout this competition, I brought all my A-team. And I think none of these bitches is not on my level.
Girl. Reaction. Any reaction? Girls, do you agree?
Actually, I do. Because she might say that she's giving her A-game, but her A-game is my least performance.
Shit! Lane, a.k.a. Fruity and Salami. Who should go home tonight?
You know, I respect all of these queens. And Tokyo Lolita gave her very best all throughout the season. Muñeca Hoshi, I don't think she deserves to be back.
Do you agree, girls?
I don't care.
Okay.
Takot kayo sa lugar. Tokyo na lang.
Ang jingay. Bring back my girls.
She going back to the workroom, rethink her life on the alcohol, vodka.
We remain disappointed with the showcase that you have shown. So for tonight, all of you four will be lip syncing for your life.
Putang ina. Bitch.
Shit ka talaga, Mami Hoshi.
Prior to the night, you were asked to lip sync for the very famous song of Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga, The Last Pandemic, which is Rain on Me.
Putang ina, this is so my song. So akin na to. It's in the bag. Hindi ko alam kung mapupulit ko to, pero gagawin ko lahat para sa pamilya.
Me and Tokyo Lolita performed this a very, very long time. So, I got this.
Good luck and don't fuck it up. Go Queen!
Ask for a free ride. I only asked you to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rainfall. At least I showed up. You showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me. Water like misery. It's coming down on me. I'm ready, rain on me. Drop out, at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. Drop out, at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain. me tsunami. Helicopter to the sky. I'll be your galaxy. I'm about to fly. Rain, rain, rain.
Standing ovation. Standing ovation. Talagang sobrang sarap.
My mom is near Hoshi, so I should have went. Stunts and reveals aside, I got this list.
The proof is in the pudding.
And that is my bread and butter.
YG and Monica, your performance was well, but I'm craving for more. How?
As usual, eksena kasi uuwi.
May hilo daw. Binipin naman. Okay naman dito. Sumunod na ulam.
Mana talaga sa drag, ma'am.
Judges, I'm really thankful for this opportunity to continue to win the battle. I swear that I will do better. And I'll push myself to do the best. Thank you so much.
Ang daming chika. Wala pa nang na-announce. Pinag-step forward.
Akala ko safe na bes.
Step forward lang.
Akala ko safe na bes.
Okay, you can step up. Tokyo Lucha and Fruit and Salad. I think you really did a great job with this. But expected more and it's fucked up.
It's okay, Fruity.
You can now step up. You can now step up. Fruity and Salada. May come forward. Fly high, my dear, and always bring your seat. Aim high. Aim high. Carry your flag always on your back. But I'm sorry, my impact. I need to let you go. You may sashay away.
Pang-ina. Teka lang, isa lang.
Kung nakita ko na nangyari.
Girl, no.
Ay!
One more queen will be going home tonight.
Okay na, sinabi ko na nga ba eh. Hindi lang isa. Two. Ganon. Ang ina, may uuwi pa pala.
Gag. Tokyo Lolita, you may come forward. You served as the cuntiest version of yourself. The bad. The most esoteric brat. But it's with a heavy heart, my Canadian chanteuse. That I would have to let you go. And with that, my dear, sashay away.
Yun na ba?
ko alam, pero I don't know.
Actually, beat the toughest competition here. I think I got this. Don't hear Lololi.
Sabi ko na.
She's my best friend, but it's really sad to learn.
Congratulations, my girl, for being able to reach the top. But it's not the end here. Only one queen will remain. The Drag Race Philippines of Zambales.
May branch. Zambales branch.
Ang Zambales franchise to. Prior to tonight, you were also asked to practice a lip sync by Queen Money herself. And the song is Loka Loka.
Putang ina, hindi ko alam yun, babe. Hindi ko siya kabisado. Mami Hoshi, ano na? Putang ina, hindi ko alam yung kanta. Bahala na, babe.
Lady, this is your last chance to impress me and prove yourself to win the crown. Good luck and don't tangina nyo.
I'm not a bitch, I'm not cause I'm not a bitch. I'm not a bitch, I'm not cause I'm not a bitch. I'm not a bitch, I'm not cause I'm not a bitch. I'm not a bitch, I'm not cause I'm not a bitch.
I'm not a bitch, I'm my boss. Di mo ako pwedeng maloko. Loka-loka na kasi kung kaya nung pakit ko sa'yo. Not a bitch, I'm my boss.
Lane,
kaya ko
nanonood tayo.
o himbag ako iba na lang. I'm not a bitch, I'm my boss. Di mo ako pwedeng maloko. Loka-loka na kasi kung kaya nung pakit ko sa'yo. Not a bitch, I'm my boss. Kaya ko trip, puno o himbag ako iba na lang. May nasasabi ka pala, okay. Kala mo siguro magiging okay. Classic ka ako, okay. Pero para sa akin, yun ang mas okay. Bitch, better grow up. Tingnan mo sarili mo, walang pangarap. Tapos ikaw pa yung magaling mga usga. Kaya dapat talaga pag-aralan mo muna mag-shut up. Ang sarap, merong pera sa harap. Sugar daddy, di kailangan kasi galing kong sarap. Pero pag gusto mo na lalaki ng pangke mo, bawal na magalit. Dahil budget pa mo sa akin tulala. Hindi mo alam, senyorita, tawag sa akin ako'y sa kalam. Pagkakalam, kung mayaman ka na, eh mayaman ka naman. Tama na yan, kala mo siguro magaling ka na yan. Pero parang tanga lang, diyan ka na lang kasi. I'm not a bitch, I'm my boss. Di mo ako pwedeng maloko. Loka-loka na kasi kung kaya nung pakukusto. Not a bitch, I'm my boss. Kaya ko drink, kung loko, himbag ako. Ibarang kung kaya nung pakukusto. Not a bitch, I'm my boss. Kaya ko drink, kung loko.
My dear, this was such an unfortunate win, but I couldn't be more proud as your mother. We all saw that Amigatron walked out on us. And with that, I would like to congratulate you as being the next Drag Race Superstar Philippines of Zambales franchise.
France, my